I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start with a couple of prerequisites. Make sure VS Code is installed and up to date, and have Node.js if the extension needs a runtime. Once that's ready, open VS Code and go straight to the extensions view by clicking the square icon or pressing Ctrl+Shift+X. This is the first actionable step because you need the marketplace visible. Make sure your internet is connected, then search for JavaScript or the specific extension name you plan to add. Next, type targeted keywords like JavaScript, JS, or the author name into the extension search bar to narrow results. Once you see candidates, compare ratings, download counts, and the version number. Read the brief changelog and feature list to confirm it matches your workflow. When you choose one, click Install and watch the status bar for progress. Some extensions also prompt to enable language features or reload. Do that. If prompted, accept the recommended workspace trust settings to allow full functionality. Finally, reload the editor if the extension requests it, and confirm the Extensions tab shows it as enabled. Open any JS file to verify features like IntelliSense, linting, formatting, or snippets are active. Test a small example to see behavior. Then customize options via Settings, Control+, or the extension's gear menu. Change key bindings or rules as needed. If something fails, restart VS Code and disable conflicting extensions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.